Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to edit videos for upload on your iPhone. And of course, this is basically how to use the built-in editor on your iPhone. Alright, so this applies to any iPhone, including iPhone 12, iPhone 11, you name it. Mainly on iOS 14 or above because the setup should be similar. Alright, so what you're going to look for is the app that's called iMovies, which is the default editor that's on your device. This is great if you're creating YouTube videos and you're only using your phone. Alright, so let me just point out here, the editor should be somewhere around here. It's called iMovies. If you can't find it in your list of apps, you may have several. I suggest that you go to the search bar and then simply do a search and you should be able to find it. Alright, so come over here to the search bar. Once you're in here guys, you're gonna click up here and what you're gonna search for is iMovie. That's iMovie. Should be seen as seen here. Go ahead and launch. Alright, so once you're in here guys, you should be in the editor. The interface is quite simple and straightforward. Alright, so what you want to do is to create a new project, so go ahead and hit the plus. Alright, it's gonna ask you what you want to create. Do you want to create a movie or a trailer? Go ahead and hit movie. Alright, so once you hit movie, it will take you to your gallery to choose from an existing video, or of course you can choose something that you already have, or of course you can go ahead and do some recordings. In my case, let's do the recordings now. So what we're going to do right here guys is we're going to do some quick recordings. I'm going to do two. One, I'm going to use this tool here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to record a few seconds. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. Remember, you can turn the camera in landscape mode or portrait mode. Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick recording, few seconds should do. I did a picture. I'm going to use that later on, so I'm going to go to video. And here we go, let's begin. And there you go, we have recorded a video. Just a few seconds, you can hear my voice. So you can make an official video with your official voice. I'm going to stop. Alright, that's the first one. And I'm going to do another one with just the table itself. So I'm just going to move this out of the way. And then I'm going to do a second recording with this beautiful flower on the table. There you go, I'm zooming into the flower and moving things around, panning it around a bit. Just a few seconds should do. Alright, there we go. So that's two video clips just to show you some basic editing. We're going to go back to the app. So I'm going to go back to iMovies. Alright, so we're back in here guys. You can go back a bit to refresh the media library. So it shows you here, go to videos since it's a video. What we're going to do guys, we're going to search for those videos. They're going to be in recently added. So what we're going to do is going to recently added. Now I'm going to choose one, then I'm going to choose the other. So that's two videos, one with the both clips. Then I'm going to go down here and create movie. So you can add photos and videos from here. So we can hit plus. We can add our photos or videos. So go ahead, we're going to hit play. You can play them from here as preview. So once I've chosen a video, I can hit the plus icon to add it. There we go. Once you hit the plus icon, I rather to add them one at a time. So as you see guys, we have easily added one video file here. We can go back and we can hit play. See the preview window. Alright, so next we can add another video with the tape. So what we're going to do now guys, we're going to hit the plus. We're going to add the one with the tape. We can play from here to preview, or we can hit the plus to add. There you go. It's now added. And if we want, we can play this as well. Now notice both clips will play easily. Alright, excellent. So as you can see here, we have recorded two separate clips guys, and we have already been able to add both by hitting play. We can add new clips, or of course we can go ahead and play, or we can undo in case we did something that we would like to reverse. Alright guys, so for the fun part, now that you add your clips, you can go back and forth to look through your clips. Notice the divider here. Now let's say we want to add some text or basically delete any of these. Simply tap the clip and you'll notice your options down here. in case you missed that. So let me just show you this. So what you can do from here, guys, is you can target your clips. So you can do several things here, including clip. You can speed up, you can mess with the audio, you can add text. All right, so the choice is yours. Also, if you wanted to, guys, you can add a slide. So for example, if you wanted an opening slide, I could go to plus. Once I'm in the plus here, guys, I can go to videos. I can then go back. And as you see here, guys, I can go all the way back. If I wanted to, I have several options. I can go to moments, I can go to videos, photos, albums. I can even do backgrounds. I can do audio, camera. I can do voiceover. I can look at files. So I'm going to do a background here. So I'm going to go to background. There you go. I'm going to choose a nice background. Let's choose a nice color. And so once I hit the color I want, I can hit the plus. There you go. It's added. If I don't want it here, I could always long press. If I long press, guys, I can move it around. So for example, I could move this around to the end over here, or I can move this slide back to the front up here, which is where I want it. I could put it in the middle. Do not worry, if you make a mistake, you can always undo. There you go. So I've placed it in the front. So as you can see here, guys, if I hit play, it will just play out the clip. It will reach this section here. Here you go. I'm zooming into the floor. So I'm going to pause. All right, so I'm going to go back a bit, guys. From here, what you can do, guys, is tap to bring up the options just the same. You're going to hit on text. All right, guys, so in order to edit this screen here, this is just a blank screen. What I can do here, guys, is just simply add a text. So I'm going to show you to add a text. Simply tap on the T. All right, so I'm going to add my text. I'm going to hit more stylish version. I'm going to tap. I'm going to hit edit. Remember, if you delete, it's going to remove. If you hit delete, it's going to simply remove everything that's there. All right, so once you hit edit, guys, you're gonna see the default text. You can enter your text here. I'm gonna go ahead and type something cool, so such as test video. All right, so I've test video selected as my video. You can do various things such as pinch and zoom to grow. So if you wanted to, guys, you can pinch and zoom. All right, so this is gonna grow the text just to where you want it. All right, next we're gonna go back, and then if we want to, guys, we're gonna play the video. All right, so we're gonna play the video, guys. So if you want to, we can play. As you can see here, it does say title. So as you can see again, we can play the video. All right, in case you mess up, simply go ahead again. You can go back, you can edit. All right, so if you want, guys, you can go ahead and hit edit. You can type out what you want. I'm going to place test video. All right, so we've done test video. It's going to tap outside. As we said, guys, you can zoom test. We can go back, and once we're set, we can hit play. Notice it says test video, and of course it disappears. Then the video will start playing. To the floor, moving things around, panning it around a bit. So there you go. We have recorded a video. Just a few seconds, you can hear my voice. So you can make an official video, your official voice. All right, so that's how to do the official version, where you basically do the intro text at the front. Now, of course, guys, you can do lots more. If I wanted to, I could do an intro here, or if I wanted to, I could voice over this section in case the audio on this is not perfect. So let me do an intro for the voice. What you're gonna do here, guys, remember, you can tap, you can see your options here. In terms of your text, there's other stuff you can do, such as with the audio. So if I wanted to, I could go into the audio, but there's no audio for this one. Remember, you can undo any mistakes you make. Remember, you can also clip your clips. You can add filters and so on. So check this out, guys. I'm going to add a voiceover. So I'm going to place it at the timeline here. I'm going to hit plus. All right, we're now in the backgrounds. Do not worry, it says backgrounds here. You can always go back. All right, so what we can do here, these are all the tools. We're going to hit voiceover. So I'm going to do a voiceover. All right, so check this out, guys. I'm going to do a voiceover. All right, notice the test there. If I wanted to, it's just testing out the video, just to make sure that the voiceover is working. So I can hit record. It's giving me a countdown. Welcome to the video, guys. This is a YouTube test video for my first video. Welcome. Alright, so as you can see here, guys, the test video has sample, our audio sample has been added. We can play it now. We can hit accept. There you go. Notice it has placed it in the correct space. If I wanted to from here, guys, I can hit play. Welcome to the video, guys. This is a YouTube test video for my first video. Welcome. There you go. I'm zooming into the floor and moving things around, pan it around a bit. Alright, so you do get the idea, guys. It's working flawlessly. Also, if you wanted to, you can mess around with the audio. Notice here I can go to the tools to mess around with the audio if I make a mistake, and I can undo. Alright, so most of this stuff is intuitive. I can also move these sliders back and forth. So for example, if this is too long, which is this slide here, I could pinch and I can stretch this to manage the audio. Notice this intro here was too long. It was stretched beyond the audio. So if I wanted to, I could stretch it out, or I could shrink the space that was given, which is basically clipping the audio. So check this out, guys. I'm just going to show you the ending section here. Welcome. Notice there's no extra between this section now, as I simply tapped and then move the edges to clip the shrink the clip down. All right, it's quite easy. You can also go back and change my text styles if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that right now. All right, so if I want to as well, guys, I can go through and I can mess with the overall look and feel. So I can go ahead again. I can bring up options for this clip. I can go into my effects, such as to duplicate. So if I wanted to, I could duplicate a clip. I can delete this clip in case it's not needed. All right, and I can scroll over. I can add filters, you name it. So all can be done from right here. So as you see just now, I just duplicated a clip. Notice the clip has repeated 2 times if I want to. It was a mistake, so I can undo. Notice the duplicate clip is now gone. I only have this with the tape, then this slide. So in case you make a mistake, do not worry. It's easily undone by hitting the undone button. All right, so if I wanted to, again, guys, I can add filters. Check this out, guys. So let's say you do not like the look or the lighting in the room. I can change the filter. Check that out, guys. Now the filter has been added. Cool filter, right? If I don't like this filter, guys, I can change it to a black and white filter. Check it out again. All right, so the features are the main features, so I can customize my video accordingly. All right, so once I'm finished, you can also go in here. You can directly choose your project filter overall. You can choose a theme. You can use theme soundtracks, fade out to black, or fade the start of your video, and so on. You can mess with pitch and all of that. So if you want to, you can hit done. Remember again, guys, all your options are down here, so you can see them from filters, text, turning off the audio if you want to, or messing with the audio. You can mess with the speed of the video, or you can clip. And again, remember, if you make a mistake, simply undo. Once you're done, guys, simply go up here and you can hit done. So let me show you here. So notice my video, it will play, the both clips will play, and then it will here. So if I wanted to, I can hit done when finished. Check it out, guys, it's now done. And once it's done, guys, I can upload it to where I need it to go. So for example, if I wanted to upload this to YouTube, the options are all here. Remember, if I don't like this project anymore, I can hit delete, or I can hit the share button, or I can hit the play button. All right, so this is play. I can also go back if in case I do not like the editing. I can go edit again, and I'm back in the editor. Notice everything is here. When I'm finished again, I can hit done. All right, so if you want to, you can hit play from here. Welcome to the video, guys. This is a YouTube test video for my first video. Welcome. Here you go. I'm zooming into the floor and moving things around, panning it around a bit. So there you go. We have recorded a video. It's a few seconds. You can hear my voice. So you can make an official video, your official voice. All right, so you do get the idea again, guys. If you're finished now, guys, you can export your project. So all you gotta do is click this middle option right here. The options will come up. Notice you have several options of apps. You can look around right here. There's even more. Check it out, guys. You have every app on your phone. If an app is not included here, you can hit done. You can go back and the options are all here. You can save the video, and this is one of the key ones you'll need. So let's say, for example, you do not see an option you want in terms of where to send the video. Just go ahead and hit save video. Check it out, it's converting, and this is the preferred method. Notice it says movie has been exported to your photo library. You're gonna hit OK, and once you're finished, guys, all you gotta do from here is go back. Notice it says movie here. It's the same movie. You can play and edit again, but now it's in your gallery. So all you gotta do from here, guys, is go to your photos. Check it out right here. These are the clips, and this is the finished product. Check it out, it's now in your gallery. And if you want to hear the audio, you get the idea. I'm not going to play the entire thing. So now it's in your gallery, guys. You can go to your YouTube app, and when it asks you to upload a video, simply choose upload, and when it asks you for the location, point it to your gallery and choose the last video that you did, and that's it. So by doing all of this, guys, you'll be able to use iMovies on your phone. No need for a full-blown laptop. So once you're able to do this, guys, you should be good. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. As always, guys, Ricardo Gardner showing you how to use iMovies or the built-in movie editor on your device. As always, guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.